Coordination number 4. Another variety is known as didentate or bidentate. And of the formula, capital A and B represents a bidentate ligand. Capital M is the central metal ion. AB, capital A, capital B twice. Therefore, in the complex capital M, A, B twice, M is the central metal atom, while A, B is an unsymmetrical bidentate ligand. An example of this type of this complex is PTGLY twice, where GLY stands for glycino. That is, formula is NH2CH2CO minus. The cis and the trans form of this complex are shown like this. That is PT glycine twice. And in this, the NH2CH2CO, similar way it is arranged here. NH2CH2COO, that is called as cis isomer. Whereas NH2COCOO, but NH2 is here, but NH2 starts with here from NH2CH2COO entirely in an opposite direction, that is known as the trans isomer. Now the next classification, 6 coordination compounds, that means coordination number is 6. Complexes with the coordination number 6 are octahedral in shape. Fill in the blank question. A regular octahedron contains 8 faces and 6 equivalent vertices. In an octahedral complex, the metal is placed at the center and the 6 ligands occupy their position at the vertices. Octahedral complexes of the type Ma6, Ma5b, Mab5 do not show geometrical isomerism because of the complex. Fill in the blank question can be asked. Their arrangements of ligands are not possible to show geometrical isomerism. In geometrical isomerism in all the other type of octahedral complexes are very common. Therefore, we are going to discuss which are showing geometrical isomerism. 1. Complexes of the type Ma4b2. In these complexes, 4 monodentate ligands A and 2 monodentate ligands B are octahedrali arranged to the central metal atom M. Cis isomer is obtained when the ligands B occupy adjacent position, while the trans isomer is obtained when the ligand B are opposite to each other. All the diagrams are important to explain this type of isomerism. An example of this type is COCl2NH3 4 times. This is A, this is B. NH3 4 times represents the A here, and Cl2 represents the B. The cis and the trans forms of this complex, the diagrammatic representation, when NH3, NH3 and Cl comes, it is known as a cis isomer. Whereas the NH3 on all the 4 and the chlorine is on the opposite sides. This is a trans isomer. Second type is complexes of the type Ma3b3. An important example of this type of complex is CrCl3NH3 3 times. Its cis and the trans isomers are the diagrammatic representation. The explanation is, in the cis isomer, the 3 chloride are on the triangular face and the 3 NH3 molecules are placed on the opposite of the triangular face. This is the case. And the 3 chlorine atoms, 1, 2, 3. This is the 3 chlorine atom. And it is placed, and NH3 molecules are placed just opposite. 1, 2, 3 is just placed opposite to this chlorine atom. This isomer is designated as facial, FAC, that is small letter FAC, isomer. Fill in the blank question. In the trans isomer, Cl are placed on the edges. See, are placed on the edges on the opposite And this isomer is placed on the edges of the octahedron while NH3 molecules are present on the opposite edges. Wherever the Cl is placed, just opposite the NH3 is placed. This isomer is termed as meridional. The short form is MER or peripheral isomer. Another example of this type of complex is RH, PY thrice Cl3. Now, third one, complexes of the type MAA2A2, where AA and represents a type of complexes. Central metal atom is attached to two symmetrical bidentate chelating ligands AA and two monodentate ligands A. The two letters A and A, that is in AA, indicate two similar coordinating atoms. These complexes exist in cis and the transform and exhibit the phenomenon of geometrical isomerism. An example of this type of complex is COCl2En twice. The cis and the transform of this complex is given here. This can be named as a short form En. That is only difference between, this is the cis isomer. That means both are on this side. En is on both, En group is on the same side. Whereas in this En group is on the opposite side, that is trans isomer. Here a short form is used for En. That is the only difference between these two diagrammatic representations. Other complexes of this type are given examples. 3 examples are given. COEN twice, NO3 twice. IR, iridium, C2O4 twice, Cl2. And IR, iridium, C2O4 twice, Cl2 3 minus. All this exist in the same way.